Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to another episode of Learning with Mr. Frost. This episode, we are going to be learning about how to find math in nature. So sit back, relax, look at the videos, look at the pictures that were taken by me, and try and find the beauty and math in nature. All right, boys and girls, welcome back to another video. This Learning with Mr. Frost episode is going to be so much fun because it all revolves around nature. Finding math in nature, and that's amazing. Okay, so let's look at these two creatures. Hey, why is it looking at me like that? These are geese, and geese are obviously water birds. They swim in the water and they spend a lot of their lives in the water. But let's do something because last week we talked about fewer or more. And I just want you to make a guess whether there are fewer or more than 10 geese in this stream. Ooh, good guess. So you think it's awesome. Okay, if you think it's fewer, put your thumb down. If you think it's more, put your thumb up. And let's watch the video. So we're starting with two. One, two. Let's continue, shall we? Yes. Oh, hi. How you doing? All right, going down the river. Whoa. So we're at two, three, four. Ooh, nice drink of water. Five. Whoa, what are you looking at, buddy? Six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Keep it moving. 11, 12. So, hey, get off your belly. Stop it. Whoa, wait, are there more? I think there are. Let's see. I see its head. 13, 14. 14 geese. Oh my goodness. Let's get another close up of that goose on there. So there were 14. Good work if you said more. If not, that's a. Oh, hey, what are you looking at? Hey. Oh, look at the mallard right next to. The mallard's lazy. He's just sitting down. Ooh, I'm going to bring my head up like that. All right, boys and girls. Now that you remember your fewer and more, let's go ahead and just review patterns. And luckily today, I was able to find some patterns in nature. Woohoo! Do you see that puddle right there? Don't you wish you could just go jump in it? Well, after doing this video, I did jump in it and now my foot is all wet. Gross. Okay, let's look to see if you notice any patterns in the puddles. Ooh, here we go. There's one puddle, two puddles, two puddles, one puddle. All right, I'm pausing it right now. What do you think would come next? It went one, two, two, one. What do you think would come next? How many puddles? That's right. It would go two puddles, two puddles, one puddle. Our pattern is one, two, two, one. Oh, man. Good job. Go jump in a puddle. Oh, man. Not only did I notice a pattern in puddles, but I also noticed a pattern in rocks. Now, I want to see if you notice the pattern as well. White, black, brown, white, black, brown, white. What? Which two rocks would come next? Very good. White, then black, and then brown. Our pattern is white, black, brown. White, black, brown. Then would be white, black, brown. Very, very nice. I am so impressed. I found two red insects on a big rock, and I wanted to do a little math with that. Now, look how many there are. There are two of them. If I was to add all of the legs here, what would it be? I know that each insect has 6 legs, so I would add 6 plus 6. What is 6 plus 6? Pause the video. Unpause. 6 plus 6 equals 12. But, uh-oh, this little buggy is going away. Now there's one insect left. If I'm just looking at the rock, how many legs are on that rock? What is 12 minus 6? Because there were 12, and now we're subtracting 6. Go ahead. Good. 12 minus 6 is 6. And now there are 0. 0 buggies on the rock. Oh, yo, 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 yo. This is the last part of our finding math in nature. And I know this doesn't exactly look like nature, but I did find it when I was out for a walk this morning. So, on my road, on the road I live on, it's closed halfway in between because they're doing some road work. Now, here's what I wanted to do. There are so many things that we can find on this picture. All right? I see that there are letters and words. All right? That we're finding words in nature. I couldn't believe it. Well, I guess birds don't know how to write, but I guess humans did this one. So what I want you to do is pause the video and try and identify as many different shapes as you can. And here's a special fun one. If you look at or point to a circle, then I want you to spin yourself in a circle. Do the circle dance. Oh yeah, oh yeah. All right, ready? Pause the video and then unpause, and I will go over the shapes that I see with you. All right, go ahead and pause. All right, unpause. Welcome back. All right, let's see what I noticed. Let's start right in the middle. I noticed that there is a rectangle. Very nice. Now I also notice, circle, do the circle dance. Ha! Now it's a smiley face road closed. Very good. Oh my goodness, I noticed some more rectangles. Hmm. What else? Ooh. This is almost a straight line, but it is 3D. We don't learn about that just yet, but that is a straight line. I see some more lines. Oop. I don't know how to trace, apparently. Ha ha! Let's see. Do you see a square anywhere? I think the closest thing would be this, but it's not really a square. So I don't see any squares. Whoop! Little baby circles. Little baby circles. What else did you notice? Please write in the comments any other shape that you noticed. All right? All right, friends. Thank you so much for watching another video of Learning with Mr. Frost. And I know you never saw Mr. Frost in this video, and that's because I couldn't really have anyone help me out with the videotaping because we're keeping a social distance. All right. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep learning. You're all doing a wonderful, wonderful job. Adios.